Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is Tuesday, February 22nd. And right now I'm getting aggravated with these people in front of me. Please hurry the hell up and turn and get out my way, because y'all been acting like y'all don't know where y'all going this entire time.
South Carolina, South Carolina, South Carolina, in South Carolina, South Carolina, South Carolina.
Anyways, I'm on my way to Dunkin' Donuts, and then I'm gonna head over to Walmart because I am cooking today. So yeah, and then later on I have a hair appointment. So today I'm getting my hair silk pressed by a professional, like I told y'all in my last vlog. If y'all watch my Sunday vlog, I'm so excited because I'm just happy that I ain't gotta do my hair today, first of all, and second of all, I get to really see how much my hair has grown since I've big chopped. That's what I'm excited for. I don't really wear my hair straight like that. Y'all, I'm just confused as to why is it so much traffic on this road. You know what? It's 7:30 in the morning, Stylus. That's why it's traffic. Anyways, y'all, so that's pretty much what I have going on today. Cooking and silk press. I am really doing too much. So I'm back from Walmart. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I got some flowers, a pineapple, rice, sesame seeds, everything bagel seasoning, chicken wings, avocados, sourdough bread, 2 bags of shrimp, lemons, and honey teriyaki marinade. Alright, you guys, so I just got back from getting my hair done. As y'all can see, it is straightened, it got a lot of body, and it's short. So let's talk about it. I ended up getting a cut, not a trim. My hair was in bad shape, y'all. I had no clue. I was shocked myself. One thing I like about her is that she lets you know before she do anything. So she handed me the mirror. She was like, I'm gonna cut all these thin ends off. Then she showed me my split ends. Y'all, I had a lot of split ends as well, more so like at the front of my head. I had no clue. Mind y'all, I haven't cut, trimmed anything since I big chopped last year, so I was already expecting to have to get my ends trimmed. I just didn't know I was gonna have to get a cut, but I told her, cut it, I don't care. I've been got out of that mind frame of holding on to length. I prefer health, and I hate that I don't have any pictures. I didn't realize that she wasn't recording, because normally she records and take pictures of all her clients. And it wasn't until she was like, oh, I forgot to take a before and after picture of your hair. And I was like, oh. But it was bad, I ain't gonna lie. And I'm okay with my hair being this length. It's cool, it's fine, all right? Health over length any day. And I'm loving the body. She gave me a little bang or whatever. I'm not really good with the whole, flipping the hair and bringing it back. Am I doing it right? That looks a terrible mess, okay? Terrible. I don't know how to do it. How do you bring it up to the front? Like, for real. This is what the back looks like. back home, you guys, and I want to show y'all quickly, not everything that I got, because everything that I got is not worth showing, but I'm gonna show y'all just a couple of things that I got that I want to share with y'all. First thing I want to show y'all is this ice cube mold tray. It's tulips. Isn't this cute? I cannot wait to make ice cubes out of this, and it was only 98 cents, y'all. Something else I want to show y'all is this big woke. I think that's how you pronounce it. Y'all see this? It's 13.75 inch, basically 14 inch. It's deep as hell. This bad boy was only $5.74. You talking about to make some serious stir frying this. The other thing I wanted to show y'all was these cute little plates and bowls and cups. So I got these cute little plates. They were only 50 cents and they're coral. I'm gonna use these for outside on my balcony. And I also got the little dinner bowls. This is for like salads and stuff. And then I got the matching cups. Isn't this cute? And they were all 50 cents. Literally, I spent $3 on these. I don't like my good stuff being outside. Even though my balcony is not dirty and they just came and pressure washed it, I just don't like that. So I'm okay with getting a whole new little cheap set for the balcony. And I think that's it that I wanted to show y'all. I got me a bunch of noodles. I got me some stuff to make tacos. Oh, for hygiene, because I'm about to do a peach scented hygiene routine, I picked up this Body Fantasy Sugar Peach body spray. Y'all, this right here smells amazing. And I need my rump cut because, let me show y'all. I already have a peach body spray. This is Sweet as a Peach by Bath and Body Works. So why did I buy this? And I knew I already had a peach body spray. I just could not ignore this because in my opinion, this smells better than this. That's why I bought it. I got this Aeropostale Peach plus Daisy body lotion. To go with that, I got this Secret Sweet Nectarine deodorant. Nectarines and peaches are practically the same thing. So that's my little hygiene haul. I already have a peach, well, a nectarine body wash by Dove. And yeah, I already had a body spray and I went and bought another one. Now I got the lotion deodorant, so I'm set. I don't know if I'm gonna do a full-on video or I may do a shorts video. Because my last shorts video actually did really good and I was shocked by that. I said, now if I can just pull these views when I do my regular videos, we'll be good.